Meaning of duckweed.
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 Duckweed. Duckweed refers to a group of small aquatic plants that float on the water's surface. They have round or oval-shaped leaves and are commonly found in still or slow-moving bodies of freshwater, such as ponds or small lakes. Duckweed is an important food source for many aquatic animals, including fish, ducks, and turtles. It also serves as a natural water filter by extracting excess nutrients from the water, helping to maintain a healthy ecosystem. In addition, duckweed has potential uses in agriculture, biofuels, and wastewater treatment due to its high protein and nutrient content.